Welcome to Da Nang. Somehow the streets are packed. The streets are packed and every spa is packed. It's so weird. I thought it's very low season right now, but somehow I see all places full. Or maybe it's because of the weather, but I'm not sure. The streets, maybe it's also because it rained for the whole week and now it's dry the whole day. So that's why everyone goes out. Everyone goes out and wants to be outside right now. So this is the Chan Bac Dan Street, but we're gonna go actually to the beach, check out the beach, how it looks right now, and then we're gonna go to the Highlands Coffee. So me and my fiance are gonna have a nice coffee in the Highlands Coffee. They have a very nice outside seating, and this is where we're gonna check out today. Oh no, thank you. And there's a new store. No way, this is another Indian restaurant. This is crazy. Hey, Haveli. Punjab Haveli. When is it gonna be done?
Maybe on 4 January opening, grand opening.
January 4?
4 January.
Oh, cool. So it's gonna be like a
1 week more.
Punjabi food?
Yeah, Punjabi.
Okay, cool, nice. Looks good. Is everything brand new, right?
Yeah, everything brand new.
Yeah, because there was nothing here before.
Yeah, nothing here before. We just
All right.
build out this.
Okay, awesome. Okay, have a good luck, man. Bye bye. And it's right next to the. What is this called again? Pho Hanoi. But this was completely empty. There was like this restaurant a little bit further. Interesting. It's very interesting how fast they get new restaurants running and building up and everything. Kind of crazy. I'm wondering if they're ever gonna finish this here. And because I think as soon as there's some money, this whole building will be finished. Because it is already built up, but I don't think it's done inside. There's lots of concrete still. But yeah, what are they doing here? They have a music going on. All right. Have fun having a hotel room over there. Or maybe even there. Mekong Cow. Look how loud it is. Oh boy. Yeah. This is one negative about this area, because there can be always some kind of concert going on in the middle of the street. But usually they are closing everything down at midnight. Usually. Hi there, man. All right. The beach looks very, very rough, but somehow beautiful. So let's cross the street. Just have to go slow and slow, and it's all gone. I think 1 or 2 weeks ago, a car was driving right into this place. Kind of crazy. It's still broken somehow. I hope they will repair it. You can see here, there are lots of people on the beach. Like the whole beach promenade is packed. Not really packed, but way more than the last few days. You can even have some coconuts and beer here. This is how it looks now. This is a sunset in the rainy, cold season in Da Nang. It's also very foggy, but it's dry. So at least something, man. You could hypothetically still get a bed here and lay around. It's not that cold. It's windy, but it's not that cold. I still have my shorts on, my hokas to walk, and it's kind of good. And this here is still pretty. It's something about this look of Da Nang here, this Da Nang beach. Very nice. I think few people even went surfing today. And somehow there are still, even though you are not allowed to drive a motorbike here on this walkway, still people driving. But usually if the police is around, then they get hefty fines. But they are usually too lazy if they are going from one place to another. They're just driving here instead of going to the street and taking the normal route. Yeah. But he's wearing a helmet, at least one thing. This is the lifeguard tower. And the toilets of the Maya Beach Club. I think the Maya Beach Club is also packed. Oh, I think, are they doing their job or not? They don't. Those lads are taking a leak. Ah no, they're repairing something. They're electricians, but it looked like it. Music is playing in Maya Beach. And I think no matter what weather it is, they're always open. And I think they also have a New Year's Eve party. Look at this sheet, hummy, something. You can see lots of people are out right now. And also my favorite coffee shop on the beach is packed. It's good to see people back on the beach. So we're gonna walk all the way there in the front, and then we're gonna cross the street to the coffee shop. Highlands Coffee. Vietnam's biggest coffee chain, I believe. So let me know in the comments below, which is your favorite Vietnamese coffee? Is it with the condensed milk? Is it coconut coffee? Is it salt coffee? For me, it's like all together, because in the morning I have black coffee without sugar, and then in the afternoon sometimes suara, milk, condensed milk, Vietnamese coffee, or if I'm very funky, a salt coffee or a coconut coffee. Coconut coffee is very delicious, especially here in Da Nang. Look at this. The beach walk is packed. The Ban Bao guy is in the front. You will always hear him. So here, this is a surf school, I think. They usually have the surfboards in there, but it's also tourist information. Okay. And a security checkpoint. I guess if your children get lost, they will be over here, most likely. So this is how it's set up, the My An Beach. The My An Beach is the beach from the An Thung area, I would say. And you have lots of small independent coffee shops and coconut places. They always set up their tables right here in the sand. Very quick setup. But they're usually all open when it's summer again. Right now, only the big ones are open. But we're gonna go there, right next to the Muang Thang building. We're gonna go to the Highlands Coffee. You're gonna see how a Vietnamese coffee shop chain looks like. This is Paradise Beach. They still got their Christmas decoration up. Most likely until they remove it for the Tet holiday decoration. Do you still got your Christmas tree? Well, there is a specific day for it, right? To remove it. Well, I don't know. I haven't had a tree for a long time. The My An Beach area sign, My An Beach. And we're gonna cross the street now over there. Lots of people on a run here. Running is huge here on this beach promenade. But the ocean is so close. This is not the case in the summer. This is crazy. See how close it is? Yeah. 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 All right, let's go over. So here are also public toilets, but it's not for. Okay. We made it. This is Highlands, also packed. Let's see if we. There are some tables outside. You can sit here and you can also sit on the right side. Oh, look at this. There's also an outdoor area here on the right. Nice. I'm definitely gonna get something here. A croissant? No. Salted egg sponge cake. Yes, I get this. It looks, they also sell you Highlands coffee. And I think here they're brewing the Finn coffee. And then they serve it over here. We're here outside right now, the beach, and this is very pretty here. If it's if it's warm and blue sky, we got a very nice sunset over there, but the lights are very pretty in this direction.